Why do some faces make you stop scrolling and others don't? The algorithm loves familiarity. Are you showing it enough of you? Here's why seeing the same face again and again is your secret growth hack. Ever wonder why some creators posts just make you stop while others you scroll very fast? Here's the secret. Familiarity wins. The human brain is wired to notice things it recognizes. That means if people see your face, your style, or your branding repeatedly, they are more likely to stop scrolling. Brand reputation isn't just a design tactic, it's a psychological trigger. Think about it. When you see a familiar logo or a friendly face in your feed, you instantly trust it a little more. That tiny fraction of trust makes people linger, watch, and engage. So if you want your content to stop the scroll, don't hide behind random visuals or one-off designs. Be consistent. Show your face, your logo, your signature style again and again. Familiarity wins. Always. So tell me, what's one way you make your brand instantly recognizable? Is it your face, your logo, your color scheme choices, or your tone? Drop your answer in the comments. Let's compare notes.